Hello everyone, today we're comparing two very different phones, the TCL NXTPAPER 60 Ultra at around €450 and the iPhone 17 Pro Max starting at $1,300. Let's see which one wins. The TCL has a huge 7.2-inch screen that's gentle on your eyes. It uses special paper-like technology that cuts blue light and stops glare, great for reading all day. The iPhone has a smaller 6.9-inch screen, but it's super bright at 3000 nits and very smooth with its 120Hz display. For cameras, the iPhone crushes it. Three 48-megapixel cameras with 8x zoom. The TCL has decent cameras with a 50-megapixel main lens and 3x zoom, but they're not as good. If you love taking photos, iPhone wins here. The iPhone 17 Pro Max has Apple's A19 Pro chip. It's incredibly fast and runs games perfectly. The TCL uses a Dimensity 7400 chip. It's good for everyday stuff, but not as powerful. For battery life, the iPhone lasts up to 39 hours of video. The TCL has 5200 battery, that's solid, not as impressive. The TCL's big thing is eye comfort. The screen feels like reading paper, not staring at a bright screen. Perfect if you read a lot or work long hours. It also supports a stylus for writing notes. The iPhone has Apple Intelligence, better apps, and works great with other Apple products like your Mac or Apple Watch. Here's the big difference. The TCL costs around €450 to €500. The iPhone starts at $1,300. That's almost 3 times more money. So, which phone should you buy? If you want the absolute best cameras, fastest speed, and don't mind paying top dollar, get the iPhone 17 Pro Max. But if you want a big screen that's easy on your eyes, good enough performance, and want to save a lot of money, the TCL NXTPAPER 60 Ultra is a smart choice. Both phones are good, it just depends what matters most to you. Thanks for watching, hit that like button and subscribe for more phone comparisons.